Hey, John from Mighty here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get around issues with these preview link and the fact that the Mighty mods and blocks don't render with those. So if you're not familiar, if you were to just share out a preview link with someone and you've got some Mighty functionality in here, you're going to notice that none of that Mighty functionality actually works. And that's just due to the way that the share and preview links work with Articulate. It actually builds this course on the fly, and we're not able to add all of the Mighty functionality into that unless if you have the Chrome extension installed. But most of the time when you're using the share link, it's with someone who doesn't have that extension. So what you could do instead is if you actually just publish this course to review, and then once that course is published to review, we can jump into this review link, and then as soon as your course loads, you can actually grab an iframe, which is what's right here, which has none of the review functionality behind the scenes. So let's right click, inspect, just scroll up until you find this iframe object here. And if you just right click where it says hashtag document, you can right click, open in new tab, and you can actually now share this out with anyone. And this will have all of that Mighty functionality just baked right into your course. So you don't have to worry about not using the share link because you can use the review link without all of that fun review functionality.